Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is I2K po again. Ngayon nandito ulit tayo sa channel ni Pinas Trending Now TV. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaksyon. Kaya samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go!
Basta sa lungga niya mga kotsero. Siguro kasi nabuo na yung script. Buo na yung script guys buo na yung script. Kaya lumabas na siya. Or baka napilitan siya. Kasi nagsalita si PBBM na yung kanyang deal, yung deal daw, yung gentleman's agreement sa China is horrific. Yun. Horrific. Horrific. Kaya napilitan siyang lumabas. I'm leaning towards the latter. Feeling ko napilitan siya lumabas at magkaroon ng press con kasi ipit siya dun Ipit kasi siya dun, guys. Ipit siya dun. So, lalabas yung kanyang katraidoran doon mga kutya sa nasabi niya. So, panoorin natin sa News 5 kasi ito yung medyo malinaw
At may inaabangan pa ako na yung pinakakal ko yung aming nose doon sa foreign affairs at foreign policy during my time.
Game.
But let me be very clear on this. We have not conceded anything to China. There might have been exchange of control over the Chinese China Sea.
Pahina na lang ako sa
those were really territorial in nature, not involving the encroachment of China in an exclusive economic zone. Iba yun. Yung sabi nila territorial, we are studying it still until now so that I can give you a concrete picture of everything. Ang problema lang nito, maraming hindi naman they are not party to any of the discussion at itong biglang gentleman's agreement with Xi Jinping. Nobody in the Philippines today, either in the Supreme Court, the Presidency or Congress, can concede anything about territories. Hindi gawa yun ng presidente yan.
Ginawa mo na nga diba? Hinayaan mo sila dun Diba dalawa yan? Isang commission tsaka isang omission. Yung commission yung active, may active sa criminal law yan crime of omission tsaka crime of commission. So, yung commission, yung kapag active mo ginawa. Yung omission, yung kapag wala kang ginawa. You failed to do what you're supposed to do as a president. You failed to do what you're supposed to do. Pero mga kotsero, etong sa umpisa, sinabi niya, may mga nagsasalita daw kasi na hindi party doon sa usapan. Wala naman daw sila doon. Oo. So, anong ending? Di nilaglag na naman nila si Roque. Faithful ka pa rin ba dyan, Roque? Sigurado ka? Ilang beses ka na nilalaglag ni Digong?
And ang ano ko lang is even this stupid ex-Justice Carpio is acting on a gentleman's agreement of which certainly he was not there.
So?
And is beginning to expound on the consequences of the resort or whatever wrong there was committed in the agreement. Aside from the fact of having a handshake with President Xi Jinping, the only thing I remember was that status quo. That's the word. Na walang galawan. No movement, no armed patrols there, as is where is. Para walang magkagulo. Hindi tayo magkagulo. Yun ang naalala ko. Wala akong there's a new word. I do not even know ayun na sure. Ito si Carpio and the rest of the I think is trying to be relevant is a retired justice, a not so brilliant one, which he pretends to be. nawala naman siya doon. And I assure you that if it was a gentleman's agreement, it would always have been an agreement that would keep the peace in the South China Sea.
Yan niya, hindi naman niya sinagot yung accusation ni Carpio eh. Binadmouth na si Carpio, oo. Sabi niya stupid, not effective justice, ganyan-ganyan, kaya wala nang nag-retire doon na hindi whatever. Pero hindi niya sinagot yung accusation ni Carpio. Sounds familiar? Ganyan makipag-argue mga Duterte Balahura supporters. Ganyan sila eh. Ganyan sila makipag-argue. Siraan ka lang nila. Pero wala sila ipopost na argument. Siraan ka lang nila. Ganyan silang lahat. Pare-pero silang style, di ba? Isa ng utak kasi.
Huwag ko kayong maniwala yung bulatik nila.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ako ganun kagago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Debatable yan.
Ayaw kong magyabang. Kaya bakit ako tumagal sa AB, sa Lyceum, is because after my political science course, I took up, and Lyceum could show the records. Marami akong kinuha about foreign affairs and foreign politics. Sabi ko hindi ako nagyayabang. I studied geopolitics under Professor.
Daming kuda. Teka wait, di na relevant yan eh. Sino ba yun?
Obiana. I think he's still connected or retired from the
Wala kaming paki dyan sa mo.
Foreign Affairs Department.
Professor mo nung Okay.
I was about foreign policy noon sa panahon.
O biglang humina.
I just got it tonight. I want to review it and the different agreements that were entered into by myself and the Defense Department, sila Lorenzana. Lorenzana played a crucial role, a role that was something that was, sinasabi ko sa kanya, you handle this, especially matters that will govern the movements of the great ships. Wala pa namang great ships dyan dyan. You know, yun ang binabantayan namin noon. The entry of the great ships. Pero walang nangyari. There was never a time that we sent the great ships in China and China's sent there. Ano yung great ship? When we talk about great ships, we are talking about warships. Ang nangyari dito sa China all along was a coastal guard, coastal patrol.
Forward ko guys kasi hindi relevant sa kwentuhan itong pinagsasabi niya.
Is in your mind, Mr. President. Long table para.
Okay.
I said, Mr. President, we would insist that that China Sea, or not the whole of it, but there is a part of the China Sea that belongs to the Philippines. And since I would want to, get savings instead of importing it from the exporting country, ako na I will dig my oil there. I just want to let you know.
Okay.
Ito ang sagot ni Xi Jinping.
So, ang kinukwento niya, kinausap daw niya si Xi Jinping. Ang gulo kasi ng kwento niya. Kinausap daw niya si Xi Jinping. Tapos, sinabi niya na para makatipid daw siya sa sa pag-i-import ng oil, huhukay na lang daw ng sarili niyang langis sa West Philippine Sea. Okay, ito sinagot. Okay.
I am afraid you cannot do that.
Okay.
Sabi ko, why, Mr. President? Dinaritso ko na siya. I will get it from that portion of the Red China Sea that belongs to the Philippines. Sabi niya, please do not do it.
Okay.
For the life of me. We are friends and I do not want to destroy that friendship. So, what is in your mind, Mr. President? Sabi niya, because it would be in trouble. Kami dito sa kabila nakaintindo na nandiyan yung mga generals nila. Ano yung National Security Advisor ni Marcos? Nandiyan. Ang pagkaintindi, sabi na trouble, if we insist na sabi ko, well, day of my visit, I do that everything, put it off to some other day. You put it to some other day.
Ba't nag-stop yung ko?
Whether the Philippines getting into our claimed territories to extract nagkalma kasi alam ko na hindi talaga kaya ng Pilipinas itong magkagera.
Okay, let me get this straight. So, ang sinabi, kasi naalala ko yan, may balita yan before. Ito yun 2021 na. Duterte says, China Xi warned there'll be trouble if PH digs oil in West Philippine Sea. Ito yun, 2021 na to. Recalled a meeting. So sinabi na niya to noong 2021. Okay. Tapos ang sagot ni President Xi Jinping almost in whisper, parang ganito, sir, magkarap. Sabi niya, in front of the witnesses, I bought around, make sure I will be correct all the time. Okay. Sabi ko, magdidig ako ng oil. Sabi niya, you know what, please do not do that. You will just sour up a new beginning here, new friendship found. But if you do that, you said, there will be trouble, sabi niya. Okay, yun ang sinabi ni Digong. So same kwento. So is this it? Ito ba yung ito ba yung mitya nung gentleman's agreement nyo? Baka ito yung mitya ni gentleman's agreement.
Tapos
Si Digong.
At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Dunggalo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.